To be eligible for an electrical apprentice license in Utah, according to the Utah Division of Occupational and Professional Licensing, also known as DOPL, you must firstly be at least 18 years old, secondly have a high school diploma or equivalent, and thirdly have a clear background check. Your years of experience in industrial maintenance, including electrical work, demonstrates a strong foundation in the field. Your 1-year certification in electricity further supports your knowledge and skills. While you may not meet the requirement of having worked under a licensed electrician, the DOPL allows for alternative pathways to apprenticeship if you have equivalent experience or education. One option is a prior learning assessment, also known as PLA. You can apply for a PLA to demonstrate your prior learning and experience through a skills assessment and portfolio review. If you pass the PLA, you may be granted credit for up to 1014 hours of the 8,000-hour apprenticeship requirement. Another option is other acceptable education and training. The DOPL may consider other education and training programs that are equivalent to the required 144 hours of related technical instruction per year. To determine your eligibility and explore the best path forward, it is recommended to firstly contact the DOPL's electrical division for guidance and to inquire about the PLA process. Secondly, gather documentation of your industrial maintenance experience, including specific examples of electrical work performed. And thirdly, submit an apprenticeship application and provide evidence of your qualifications, including transcripts, certificates, and work experience verification. By following these steps, you can navigate the apprenticeship licensing process and pursue your goal of obtaining an electrical license in Utah.